Hello, Townies! I just want to greet you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Excited na ba kayo mag-2026? Dahil ako, excited na ako mag-2026. Ano ba ang mga achievements nyo nitong taong 2025? And ano ang mga balak nyo ma-achieve sa 2026? May makakausap tayo isang Townies from my town, Los Angeles para check kung ano yung mga nag-checklist niya for 2025. So tara, kausapin natin ang isa sa mga Townies ng my town, Los Angeles. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Vince.
Hi, Vin. Ngayon, syempre, dahil malapit na ang New Year, so 2026 is coming, and I just wanna check, ano ba ang mga na-achieve mo this 2025 na masasabi mong you're very happy na na-achieve mo siya this year?
So I've got a new job, which is a high-paying one. So I was satisfied, and also I was given a lot of overtimes, which is very fulfilling in terms of financials. So yeah, that's it.
Nice. And if ngayong coming 2026, so may mga bagay ka ba na gusto mong like baguhin?
So kung may babaguhin man ako for 2026, it would be the credit card siguro, because I have 5 credit cards and it's very financially draining. Kasi once you paid, ang tendency is swipe
Gagamitin mo
mo agad.
ulit. Yeah, actually. Actually, medyo nakarelate ako dyan sa sinabi mo. Before mag-2025, actually, that's also one of my goals na nilagay ko sa aking planner for 2025. Unfortunately, hindi ko pa rin siya nagagawa. So I guess that's gonna be my, my parang siya yung gusto ko rin baguhin for myself in the next year, 2026. So yun.
Ikaw ba, anong mga na-achieve mo this year?
Well, good question. Good question. As I've mentioned earlier, meron akong mga sinulat last year na parang mga goals ko na gustong gawin, gustong ma-achieve for this year. And I think isa doon is yung pagiging physically active. So, nakabalik ako sa pag-gym, dancing, swimming. I started doing yoga, pilates, and then I tried Spartan training. So madami akong nagawa, and then nakapag-badminton tayo together. And I'm also into running this year. So I've done 5K and 10K recently lang. So kaya I'm so happy with that. And also, isa sa mga na-achieve ko talaga na parang sabi ko, parang this is the highlight of my year. Isa sa mga sinulat ko dun sa goals ko for 2025 is to be the top performing manager sa aking pinagtatrabuhan. So, and I did. So, I was the top performing manager nung second quarter of this year. So,
What are your plans in changing in 2026?
so katulad nung sa credit card, katulad sinabi mo yung sa credit card, siya din yung isa sa mga gusto kong baguhin for next year. And also parang gusto kong bawasan yung pagiging overthinker ko. I think yun yung nagiging habit, or I mean, one of my toxic traits na parang I want to change for next year. Or ikaw ba, like, hindi ka ba overthinker?
Overthinker sa lalaki. Pero wala eh, ganun talaga. It's already innate.
Yeah. So isa ba yan sa mga gusto mong tanggalin din for next year?
No, deserve talaga mag-overthink pag gumagastos.
Kaya yung credit card mo, bawasan mo para hindi ka
Bawasan natin ng
mag-overthink.
isa.
Anyways, for 2026, ano yung una-una mong gagawin?
For
Pagpasok ng
2026,
2026.
the first thing I'll be doing is to apply for a new job.
Totoo.
Para salary increase.
Salary increase agad.
Ikaw, what are your plans for 2026?
Ako naman, siguro ang gagawin ko for 2026, mag-book. Kasi gusto ko
Ng
naman
lalaki.
Hindi, mag-book ako kasi gusto ko mag-travel naman. I mean, this year kasi puro local yung travels ko. Parang so I want na for next year, alam mo yun, makapag-aeroplano naman tayo, makapag-travel abroad naman tayo. So I think that's one thing na I wanna do for next year. Ayun. Anyways, thank you, Vince. Let's greet our townies. Merry Christmas and
And
a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.